What is call log list and how to use it? Let's suppose there is a potential guest for our hotel property who decided to book a room in our hotel through online reservation page. After selecting the desired room, she started to fill out basic personal and contact information. However, at one point, he or she stopped with this action and left the page. Maybe they decided to not proceed with the reservation at our property. The moment they close the page, their information are registered under call log list inside the Elektraweb. From the call log window, we may see the date, adult-children combination, room, board, and rate type for which the guest made the search. Based on these information, we may get in contact with the guest and ask for the status of the reservation they were about to make. With Continue or Reservation button, page at which the guest stopped will be opened. In case guest confirms that he or she would like to proceed with the reservation, we may continue to fill out the missing data. If desired, we may also send a reminder SMS or email about the basket to the guest. If the reservation was confirmed and completed, we can click on Confirm button, or if it is cancelled, we may use the Cancel button.